Anil to produce a film, and I'm glad he chose this film to produce. He also understands cinema very much like us. We have a common viewpoint on cinema. He appreciates good cinema, and what we are trying to do from this film is what he had in his heart. He wanted to make a really good film and give people a film that they would not only watch because they wanted to feel good about themselves, but also to see the reality of the situation around them. So I'm glad Anil chose this film to do, and he was a really great producer. He was on the set, smiling and happy all the time like he is right now. So good encouraging factor to have a producer who believed so much in the film. Our film Virodhi, which has been directed by Neelakantha sir, is a more social, psychological, political kind of thriller, and it also represents problems and issues that all of us are facing, whether it's in Andhra Pradesh, also where I come from, Bengal. The Naxal movement is very prevalent there as it is here. So we have just tried to show what exactly is happening. Through her little portion in the film, she goes through a graph. She begins very happy, and then she has to face reality. Like all of us, we have a tendency of reading the paper, hearing about things, and putting it away because it does not affect us directly. She is like that. The character is like that, like the common person. She's not affected by it directly, but when she does get affected, then she starts being aware of what is happening around her. Great cinematographer, Ram, and we've shot in rough terrain so that you get the authentic feel of the characters when they are traveling in those places. We're a very talented team, and the cast is really talented. A lot of few newcomers. Everybody worked very hard on the film. Shrikant's character in the film is a journalist. He is the protagonist. You see the film more or less through his eyes. So he is like all of y'all. He is aware of what is happening. He has the insider's point of view like y'all have. Like my character or like me as a person per se does not have. So Shrikant's character, and also even though he knows so much about things, being a journalist and being exposed to everything, he still has, there is a change in his thought process. He becomes aware of things around him because of what he goes through. So that is an important part of the film, how he realizes that, okay, this is happening, that is happening. Because even though sometimes we know, we don't really know what's inside. So through the film, he knows what's really inside, and that's what we're trying to show everybody else, what he's seeing through his eyes. He told me the story, and the minute he told me the story, I wanted to be part of the film. Because I know it's exciting the way he has presented a subject like this. He has presented it in a very exciting way. He's put in a lot of thought into it, and every time you feel like, okay, this is happening, something else also happens. So it has the format of a thriller. So it keeps you engaged, even though he's dealing with such a heavy subject. He's dealt with it in such a way that is very engaging, that will get you involved. Well, right now, I'm trying to finish a film that I've been trying to finish for a long time called Ramachari with Venu. I'm also doing my first Bengali film. And after that, I'm shifting a little bit from this part of film, acting, to a little bit of a different part of film. So as of now, that is what's on the plate. Please come and watch the film. I think you all need to watch it, because you can't shut your eyes and say this is not happening. It's happening, and it's happening to all of you, just like it's happening in Bengal to all of us. Please come and watch the film.